Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter safe mode on this tab. To enter safe mode on the tab, you have to firstly enter power menu. In order to do it, we have to press and hold power button and volume down button simultaneously. Now, once we are in power menu, press and hold power off button. Tab again, and the tab will enter safe mode. Safe mode is a diagnostic feature on your phone that temporarily disables all third-party apps, allowing the device to run only with its essential pre-installed system apps. It's used to troubleshoot problems like slow performance, freezing or crashing to determine if a downloaded app is causing the issue. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.